Hey guys, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica, and I love this project. I've made it before, but I thought I would do an updated version. We are making holiday Christmas crowns. So what we're doing is taking headbands and then embellishing the heck out of them with all kinds of cool ornaments and greenery and patches, anything bright and shiny. You can wear these to parties, to any celebration. Christmas is about being extra, right? Went to Michael's expecting to start from scratch, but they had a whole display of all these holiday headbands, and I was like, oh my god, I can totally embellish these. They're nice and soft, so they're easy to use hot glue with, and I picked up a bunch of embellishments like greenery, battery operated lights, little ornaments. I even looked through my studio stash for some more goodies to add. This is the first one that I transformed. It had cute antlers and little flowers, so I flipped it over, added cardboard for a structure, and then I used a big wood snowflake ornament to act as the centerpiece of the crown. I let it cool so it was nice and firm, flipped it over, and then just started adding other little details that I thought would make it pop. I am all about conversation pieces. When you wear things for the holidays, you want to look spectacular and shiny, so just load everything on there. This was my original idea, to glue ornament balls on there, but it already came like that, so I added a cactus, some sparkly background, some shiny twigs. This one, it was furry antlers, and it just reminded me of Frida, so I thought, why not make an antler crown with roses? And because it's the holidays, I added some little glittered poppy decorations as well. This one is my favorite. I wish I had a model that could wear this. It's all by myself doing this today. So this is what it looks like on a little mannequin head. It started off with the hat, and then I just added on the little gingerbread house ornament, the little greenery, hot glued it all in place. Here is what the backs look like of these heavier ones. That cardboard really came in handy to add structure, and you can see how I strategically fanned out those little shiny pokey things so that it looked nice and balanced. You will be a queen if you put this on and wear it to a holiday party. Be proud, shine your light. Thank you so much for checking out my craft tutorial. If you want to see more projects like this, visit craftychica.com. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I hope you have fun making this project. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.